egg recipe for breakfast. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Eggs in Purgatory. Uova in Purgatorio. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of Uova, 2 big cloves of garlic, 1 spring onions or other type, 4 cups or 800 grams of chopped tomatoes, 4 basil leaves, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cane sugar, 5 eggs. Instructions: chop the onion and garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into a skillet over medium heat. Once the olive oil becomes more liquid, add the onion and garlic and cook until golden brown. Stir in 4 cups of tomatoes, add 4 leaves of basil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cane sugar. Place the lid, allowing the steam to get out, and turn the heat to medium-low. Let the tomato sauce thicken for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the type of tomatoes you're using. Break an egg into a small bowl, and with the help of a wooden spoon, make an indentation in the tomato sauce and place the egg carefully. Repeat with all of the eggs. Cover the skillet and let cook until the eggs are set to taste. For a runny yolk, let it cook for 3 minutes. The longer you cook them, the harder they will become. Toast some bread while the eggs are cooking. Remove the skillet from the heat. Add more basil for color and taste and serve hot. Number 2. Egg muffins with sausage, spinach, and cheese. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 20 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: 3 lean breakfast turkey sausage links, 5 egg whites, 2 whole eggs, 1/4 cup of skim milk, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup of fresh chopped spinach, 1/4 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium skillet, brown the turkey sausage links on medium-high heat. Cook until the sausage is brown all the way through. Cut the sausage into half-inch pieces and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together egg whites and eggs. Whisk in the skim milk and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the chopped spinach. Grease 6 muffin tin cups with cooking spray or line cups with paper liners. Pour the egg mixture evenly into the muffin cups. Distribute cheese and sausage equally between each muffin cup. Bake egg muffins for 20 minutes or until the muffins are firm in the center. Remove from oven and gently go around each egg with a butter knife. Serve warm. Note: you can store the egg muffins in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and reheat them in the microwave. Number 3. Cheese and veggie egg bake recipe. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 30 minutes. Total time 45 minutes. Ingredients: 1 bunch of asparagus chopped, 1 box of cherry tomatoes sliced, 1 small onion chopped, 8 eggs beaten, half a cup of whole milk or half and half, 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees and prepare a glass pie dish with cooking spray. Chop half the asparagus into small pieces. Do the same with half of the tomatoes and the entire small onion. Sprinkle 2 handfuls of mozzarella cheese, about 2 cups, over the chopped vegetables, then set aside. Crack 8 eggs into a medium-sized dish. Whisk 8 tablespoons of whole milk into the eggs. Pour the egg mixture over the veggies and cheese. Place the pan into a hot oven and bake for 30 to 40 minutes until the egg bake is puffed and set. Cook for several minutes before serving with fresh fruit, toast, and orange juice. Number 4. VeggieEggCups. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 25 minutes. Total time 35 minutes. Ingredients: 4 mini brioche buns, 4 eggs, half a cup of diced bell pepper, half a cup of diced tomato, half a cup of feta cheese crumbles, 2 tablespoons of chopped dill, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Instructions: in a medium mixing bowl, beat the eggs with a fork and then add the peppers, tomatoes, feta cheese, dill, salt, and pepper. Fold the ingredients in until thoroughly combined. Set aside. Cut the brioche buns in half. For each half, scoop out the center until the bun resembles a small cup. Pinch the sides and press firmly on the center to avoid loose crumbs. Place each cup on a non-stick baking pan. Add the egg mixture to the buns using a ladle. The buns will absorb some, so you may have to come back and add more to fill them to the top. Leaving the pan uncovered, bake the veggie egg cups for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit just so the eggs set. Place foil on top and bake for 15 more minutes. Serve immediately.